to King George, which is the last, it's going to be our last destination in the Kimberley. So that's a bit sad, but it's been really, really awesome the last almost two months.
Yeah.
Probably about 2 months that we've been slowly getting around and then heading up to the Northern Territory.
But yeah, we're just heading down to King George. A couple of waterfalls, have a swim, our last taste of the Kimberley before we head to the NT. And you know what they say? They say, see you in the NT.
Yep, that's what they say.
So we're going to see you in the NT. All right, King George, let's go.
Woo! Made it into King George, so we're just gonna anchor up, get straight on the tender, and then go and do some fishing and go see the waterfalls, which will be fun. Nice day. It was a bit rough out there, but we got here. We just spotted a huge hammerhead. See if we can get him.
That's your hunting stingray.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, it's big.
How cool is that? Hammerhead must be in the shallows just hunting stingray here.
Oh, it's so
Sick.
cool. Yes, it would.
Touch it.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Touch it. Whoa. Oh yeah? Yeah. I was rocking after standing on those rocks. It was a bit sketchy.
This is the way you go if you got to jump in.
Oh.
No, jump in, jump out. I mean, like, jump. Pretty cool. This is full Indiana Jones stuff. It's like the lost pharaoh of the Kimberley cave or something.
Oh, careful.
Oh, it's just gonna bomb me in, Matt.
Probably going. You reckon that was deep there?
Do you reckon there's no crocodiles in there?
No, there's not. What do you reckon? That was pretty deep, eh?
Next minute there's a big fucking rock there.
Dive.
I don't reckon.
Head first.
I reckon.
Go on then. Dive. Dive.
We shall find out.
Oh my god, he did it.
It's deep. Oh no.
Oh!
Oh no!
My name's popped out of my sunny.
It ain't floating either.
Cold? Dumb ways to die.
It was deep enough, everyone. It's okay. It's our last morning in the Kimberley. and we're obviously anchored up here in King George, and we're going to head up. So last morning we're going to go up, we're going to take the dogs on a little run, go up to the Twin Falls, chuck the drone up, hopefully look nice because the sun's just rising now. So, but it's really cold. I don't know, it must be 15 degrees or something, I reckon. We'll grab Bon's tea and we'll shoot up the river, show these guys the waterfalls, and then we'll come back and we're going to start our passage to Darwin. Here we are at one of the Twin Falls at King George. I was just making a note that looking on the sounder, it's actually nearly 60 metres deep under this waterfall. The water obviously in the wets, that's massive waterfall and cascades down, and over thousands and thousands of years it's created a big hole here underwater. Prehistoric, eh, bud? Unbelievable here. It's nice and calm in here. It's not as cold. It's colder than my hair. Freezing. 57 metres we've got. The first cast under the waterfall and it's hooked up. I don't know what it is. It's a jack, I think.
Jack. Oh, it's a nice jack.
Beautiful jack. Oh, it's a good jack. What, Kevin? Where's the jack?
Oh my gosh, look how red he is. Oh wow! When we get the net?
Yeah, net. Woohoo! Very good, mate. He's a monster jack.
He's massive.
Oh my god, what a jack. That's a PB jack.
Definitely.
A PB mangrove jack under the King George Fall.
That's so
that's
sick.
so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the size of it. He's a monster. He's got to be a PB for me, I reckon.
Go under the waterfall. Matt's on again at the other waterfall, the one of the other twin waterfalls. Yeah, he just doubled it. Ruby.
Another beautiful
Yeah,
jack.
it's a huge one as well.
Get back, Ruby.
Look at it. Oh, it's all mud.
2 monster jacks. One at each fall.
What the hell?
Just finished at King George and we're gonna start making our way up to Darwin. So pack up. Matt's got 2 fish, 2 jacks that we're gonna have for lunch, and caught at the King George. Not many people can say that, I bet.
Alright guys, well that's a wrap. We're just sailing out of the King George now. We're leaving the Kimberley. We're heading towards Darwin. We really hope you enjoyed these episodes of the Kimberley as much as we've enjoyed making them. We've had an absolute blast. We've had a great time. Once in a lifetime opportunity. We've had an awesome time, haven't we?
Yeah, definitely. And it's probably been our best day up here in the Kimberley compared to all the other places. The other places were magic, but the Kimberley, it's just something else. And although we were here touching on about 2 months, there's still so much to see and do, and we couldn't get to everything, but we did as much as we can, and we're so excited to get to the Northern Territory. Leaving WA, we're almost, well, not even almost, but heading to the Northern Territory, heading to Darwin. And Matt's making dinner. And he's licking his fingers and wiping his hands on his shorts. Disgusting. Anyway, it's going to be a long night. Another, well, 2 nights it's going to take. So I'm getting prepared. Going to sleep, hopefully. And then we're going to do 3-hour shifts. So Matt's up, but it's 3 minutes late. But he's making dinner, so it's all good. Dinner is served.
Dinner is served.
Very healthy, isn't it?
Yeah. Fish, mangrove jack caught at King George Falls, frozen veg and rice. We are running out of ingredients.
We have no garlic left.
But it's still delicious.
Yeah, it's good.
Alright. Catch you in the morning.
Yes. Long
Signing
night
off.
ahead. Bye. Night shift is done. Just waiting for the time to tick over to 5 AM and then Matt's on for the 3 hours, or until I wake up. And how's this sunset? Sunrise. It's better in real life, but it's pretty good. Last night was pretty good. Didn't have that much wind, so we had to put 1 motor on, which is a bit annoying. So hopefully the wind starts picking up. It's currently at 7 knots, so we're hoping to get, or at least to 10, so we can turn the motor off, but feels like it's picking up, so we'll see. But yeah, what a nice sunrise. Can y'all see Shania going across it? Looks pretty awesome.
Been doing a few boat jobs while it's nice and calm. I put a new anchor bridle on, spliced that up. The other one was starting to fall apart, so that's good. But we've got something exciting coming up. Something exciting coming up now. We've got about 20 seconds and we cross from Western Australia into the Northern Territory. So we're crossing the border. It's our first border crossing onto Coco. And we have 5 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
Northern Territory!
Welcome to the NT!
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Bye, WA!
Sad.
It's been our home for quite a while, WA, but we're...
I feel different.
I feel like I've changed. But now we've crossed the border. Bring on the buzzers.
Yeah. We're just cleaning out the fridge because we're heading into Darwin, so we want to make sure that the fridges are empty. The freezers are empty because we're going to be there for about 2 weeks, more or less. So we just want to make sure that there's nothing here that will go off or, yeah, anyway. And then we found these tortillas that we need to get rid of, so we're going to play a little game that, I don't know, I've seen it on social media, where you put water in your mouth and then you slap each other with one of these. They're going overboard anyway, they're out of date, so there's no wastage really. Alright, so here we go. We're actually laughing. You just spat it at me. Doesn't work like that. Oh my god, I can see all your saliva. Jeez, you don't know how to play the game, do you?
I couldn't hold it in anymore.
No, you spat it after. It was like this big break, and then you spat it on me. Anyway, that's disgusting. That's
funny.
Matt. Most of that's not even water, it's Matt's bloody saliva.
Oh, it was water.
Doesn't play fair, this one.
We've made it to Darwin. So behind me here that's the Cox Peninsula, and I can see Darwin City just over there. We haven't seen a city for 2 months, but we're coming into Darwin now, so yeah, land ahoy. So we're not going into town straight away, we're actually going to fire straight down deep into the Darwin Harbour, down into the middle arm. We're going to park up in a really special spot, guys, so it's going to be cool. We're getting into a really small creek and we're going to park there for a few days, right out the front of a mate's house. He's got a Barramundi fishing tourism venture there, which we can go and we're going to stay at, and we'll show you that. So here we are in the creek, nice and narrow. We're parked up right here, so we got to go in. It's right next door to that croc trap. But we've got the boat tied up, anchored, everything's tied down. We've just loaded the tinny. Just packing up the boat, getting ready to go. We're done. We're only going for a couple of days, so. But we'll be back probably tomorrow anyway. All right, let's get in there. Parked up on land.
Wait. Oh, the grass is so nice.
Oh.
Grass is so long.
Green grass. Rubes, here.
Sleep here tonight.
Is that good, Ruby? Bit of grass? She's stoked. Come on, Rubes. Dorian's not here, but Del is. Oh, there's a new car, brand new Ranger. Rubes, here, come here. That's a big barra.
It is a big barra. How are we?
Good.
You just come up from the reef?
Mine's on here.
I went to the bar and I got a bloody cod.
What'd you get?
A cod.
I came to a barramundi farm, guaranteed to catch a barramundi, and she got a cod! A cod queen! No way!
Are you kidding me? That's so annoying. I just saw like 20 just
There's literally 20 barramundi right at our feet, and she gets an estuary cod. It's the cod queen!
That wasn't in the brochure.
Dell's just gone to... Let's go there.
Yeah, but get the things.
Dell's just gone to show some people around. Everyone's left and we're cleaning the deck for her and... What should I? Just chuck a line in.
Underneath, right there. I could grab it with my hand.
Barra right there, look.
Oh, that was silly.
So a bit of a backstory, there's probably 500 or I think there's like 800 or 1,000 barramundi in this pond. So there is heaps. And mine catches the only cod.
Yeah. I give up.
Oh, we'll get her onto a barra near later, but... Alright guys, we're getting ready to go. We're about to leave Darwin. We're gonna go, we got a real mad adventure lined up. We're going to the Tiwis, but I'm here with Justin. He works at Barramundi Adventures Darwin. Tell him what to do here, mate.
This is a land-based fishing site that we have here. Everyone gets to enjoy catching a barramundi without having to worry too much about the stress of crocodiles and sharks and all that sort of bizzo. Yeah, you can come out here, catch anything from a 45 centimetre barra up into a 98.5 centimetre. So we have some good quality fish in here.
Yeah, it's a ripping day. Come out here, guys. You can jump the hellyfish pub crawls often come out here as well. Yeah, it's just great. The ponds are stocked with plenty of fish, and yeah, there's a bar here and stuff. It's really great. But Justin also owns fish on lures, so he's got a couple of lures we're going to try out up in the Tiwis. He reckons they're the go-to. So these are the lures.
Fish on Prawnzilla. One of my favourites. Good for the natural colour water, in your clear colour water. Also, you have a good range of coloured ones to really get seen in that nice murky water as well. Even have a few vibes. We've thrown him and see how he goes on the reef with them. Should do alright with them as well.
Awesome, see if we can get a goldie on them. But yeah guys, they can get you on the website, is that?
Yep, yeah, Fish On website. Yep, jump on there, check out our stock.
They order online, but
order online.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers, mate.
Good to see you.
Good travels, and hope you do well.
Fully loaded. Off we go. Dinghy's loaded, boat's there. Saying goodbye. See you, Malcolm.
All the best, Matty.
Up.
Great to see you
See you
again.
in a couple of days, brother.
See you, brother boy.
Well,
Safe sailing, mate.
Dorian's going to meet us out of the Tiwis in a few days. He's bringing the new boat out. So we'll give you a rundown of what they do at the farm when we're there. We did a little one with Justin before, but we'll get to go for a spin in the new boat. Let's load this on and we're out of here, out of Darwin. We're trying to leave Barramundi Adventures Darwin. We're obviously at the boat ramp. And Mon's having some trouble with the anchor.
So I was trying to bring up the anchor and I brought up an anchor, but it wasn't ours. The fuck?
So I have to try and untangle this.
Look how, hopefully,
Huge.
look how fucking, it's the smallest anchor.
It's got the
and
biggest chain.
chain. Not big.
Seems to be coming up better now. Had to undo the shackle to drop the old anchor down, but sounds like we might be free. Oh, thanks a lot, Dorian. Alright, and we're away. See you later, guys. Thanks for the hospitality. It's been really good staying with our friends. And I'll obviously put up. You would have seen the footage of the farm. It's so unreal. Such a brilliant spot. Good for kids. Good for parties and stuff. Good just to go and catch a barra. Not having to have the hassle of putting the boat in the water or anything like that. But anyway, we're out of here. We're heading to the Tiwi Islands, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Click subscribe and follow along next week as we make our way out to the Tiwi Islands. We've also got a Patreon, which is in our comments. Cheers, guys. See you next week.